Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
The same as Fiat Freemont, guys. The same vehicle under two different names. So what we'll do, guys, we'll show you how to fix airbag light. Okay, airbag light is on, and we have a code that relates to the front left driver side pretensioner. So stay with us, guys, that's what we'll be doing. In the meantime, we have more than 200 videos on this channel, guys, for this car, so please subscribe. We're constantly adding new videos. Thank you for watching, guys, and all the tools and parts, including the scanner that we'll be using, will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience if you need to buy something. Now, if we start this Dodge journey, guys, check out what is happening. Okay, airbag light stays on. You see, it turns off for a second and comes back on. That's the problem. It just stays on. So, I'll turn the engine off now. We'll turn the engine, turn the ignition only. It will stay around and all the lights will be on. We'll be using Maxicom here. Amazing, amazing tool. You can scan almost any car you can think of. You can read and delete codes from every computer module. Check out what you can do. Amazing. So, I'll go under VIN detection. This is a really cool function. It reads the VIN number and detects the vehicle on its own. So you don't have to manually select, let's say, Dodge Journey 2012, this and this engine. Which, some things you may not even know. What kind of transmission it has and all that stuff. So, you can see, it decoded the VIN number, super quick computer. It's connecting now, it's connected to the car module. And we're going to select control unit, it's under body, airbag. You can see our light is still on. Yeah, still there. We're going to read the codes now. And this is the code that we get. Okay, check it out. B1C3A. First row, driver seat belt buckle pretensioner circuit open. Okay, guys, this is for the driver belt. Front left driver's belt. Now, every time, guys, okay, you do anything to the airbag system, sensors, connectors, you have to have your car battery disconnected at least 1 hour, okay, before you do anything to it. So, don't do what we do, consider this entertaining video, but disconnect your car battery, guys. Okay, we're going to show you now the problem that we have here. I'm going to move the seat all the way to the front now. Okay, all the way. We need to scoot it all the way up, so we have more access to the seat belt from the back side. Okay. Perfect. Now we're going to go right here, and this is, guys, your seat belt. The pretensioner, guys. Okay, this is your pretensioner here. What happens if you're in a crash? It's kind of like it blows up, okay, and it retracts the belt even more, so it gets that extra slack, and it's for safety, so your body cannot move more forward. But if you have a problem with the pretensioner, if the car was in a wreck, if the wiring got damaged for some reason, or the connector got loose, guys, you're going to get that code. Okay, and this is the connector right here. So let me show you now. Okay, we're going to go ahead and install it. I recommend, okay, to do it only with the belt removed and battery removed. Again, you must remove the battery. There is 2 pins, so you have to be extremely careful how you place it, because if you bend something, okay, it's not fixable. You have to replace it. Okay, we need to push it all the way in, and now that safety pin needs to be in, otherwise the connector might get loose and you get that code. Okay, we'll have a video on our channel, guys, that explains how to test belt pretensioner. It's very, very easy. So check out the video how to test the pretensioner to know if yours is good for sure or not. Okay, and know if you need to look for the problem somewhere else. So, we have that thing connected. We're going to go ahead, scan the system now, and see if that fixes our problem or we need to do anything else. So, we turn the ignition on again. You should have your battery disconnected. You must have your car battery disconnected. I'm going to go back. Okay, and if you go under live data, okay, let me just show you quick. You can see all the different airbag systems here, all the different components, and you can see if actually, okay, if any of the belts is good, if it's not. First row right pretensioner, okay, you can see 2.4 ohms. So much information, guys, under live data. You can see, you can inspect the whole system here. First row left pretensioner 2.3 ohms. And now we're going to go ahead and erase the codes. Codes have been successfully erased, and if I check the system one more time, there will be nothing there, no fault codes detected. And we'll go ahead, start the car, and check out now, no airbag light on. So either you have a bad pretensioner, bad connector, or bad wire somewhere, guys. So thank you for watching, please subscribe.
Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.